New air purifiers inspired by technology from NASA are being put to work here in Rochester. Family-owned Rochester City Lines has been in the business for more than 50 years, and this past year has been hard on them. Business went down by 95%, and the company went from 120 employees to fewer than 10. Dan Holter, the owner of Rochester City Lines, learned about a new air purifying technology originally developed by NASA that is used at the International Space Station. The founder of the company, ActivePure Technology, says he took NASA's product that was in its early stages and then improved it. Dan is using that product. It's different than the typical HEPA air purifier that uses a traditional filter. The FDA-approved product works by pulling free oxygen and water molecules through the air. It then creates oxidizers that are released back into the room.
When an astronaut sneezes or outgassing from their skin, it actually contaminates the entire International Space Station. They were unable to do different experiments like growing potatoes. And so they developed a technology in conjunction with the University of Wisconsin Aeronautics Division. And the early technology was called PCO. Our technology is based on that technology, but is dramatically more advanced.
Whereas we used to run 60 vehicles, now we're down to less than a dozen. And we'll just see how things rebound. So we're prepared to respond as the economy allows us to.
Rochester City Lines has installed units on all of its buses and vans. The company is planning on starting up